Vijay Bhambwani, who's the author and CEO of bsplindia.com. Vijay, hi. Great to have you with us. To start off with, especially given its expiry, what sort of range and volatility are you expecting?
As far as the Nifty is concerned, we are looking at the expiry today, and therefore the markets might be susceptible to pull and push of the rollover of the June to July series. The bullish pivot for the Nifty spot would be at 5,150 levels, above which the Nifty might just scale up to 5180 levels. On the flip side, staying below the 5,130 mark might just see the Nifty go down to 5100.
Well, yeah, let's discuss sectors then. The metals pack emerged as one of the biggest gainers yesterday, up by about 1.5%. What are your thoughts on this sector?
In the metal space, barring short-term blips on the upsides, I think there is pressure at higher levels because the underlying assets in the international commodity markets are showing signs of pressure at higher levels. And as and when metal prices go lower, I think stock prices of these companies, especially in the domestic scenario where the rupee might just appreciate a little, so that these cyclical stocks might just go down in the coming few trading sessions. I think bottom fishing at current levels would be best avoided.
Okay, so avoid bottom fishing on metals, but what about the auto pack then? That was the biggest loser yesterday. It lost close to 0.7%.
In the automobile space, although stocks do show signs of very early signs of recovery, I think it would be a little premature to bet on green shoots as yet, and I would wait for traction to build up for the next couple of trading sessions before getting my feet wet onto the long side in the automobile space. That too, only if Tata Motors, Maruti and the biggies like Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp showing signs of distinctive strength. Till then, I would sit on the sidelines and wait for a move.
Alright, so what's the trading strategy that you would recommend to our viewers, Vijay?
Where individual trades are concerned, I would buy Jain Irrigation in the spot segment at the 78.5 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 77, and I would expect to book profits at 80.5 or end of the session, whichever comes first. I would also buy Bharti Airtel in the spot segment. I would short Bharti Airtel in the spot at 306 levels. I would hold that short with a stop loss at 309 levels. I would expect to book profits at 301 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Right, and away from cash, what about the futures and options segment? What's the trade there?
In the future space, I would short the June futures of Tata Motors at 241 levels. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 243, and I would expect to book profits at 236 or end of the session, whichever comes first.